How to make very efficient but accurate cuts using your circular saw. So what I see most often is that people will take their square at their measurement, strike their line, and just take their saw and let it ride on the line. It's a nice cut, but it's not square. Okay, one thing you can do when making a cut, get your number, say 2 inches. You want to strike your line on the edge nearest you. Set your blade on your line and make sure the front of your saw is square to the backside edge of your piece of wood. Now that's a fast way of making a cut. It's also pretty accurate. Okay, another thing you can do, take your number, we'll say 2 inches again. Strike your line. Now as you're making your cut, you want to lift the blade, trace your line, and drop the blade down to finish your cut. This is also very accurate. Okay, now what I like to do when making my cut is I like to take my number, we'll say 5 3/16. Get a mark there. I'll slide my tape to the nearest inch, which is 6. Go back 1.5 inches. Get a mark there. Put my square on that 1.5 inch mark that I just made. Run my saw along my square. And I get an accurate and efficient cut at 5 3/16. Big brain plays.